Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we're working on that Mercedes that we have, ML320, on our main channel. We have amazing videos about that, and check out our channel Auto Repair, guys. Subscribe, we have many videos as well. But now we are going to show you guys how to remove A-pillar. Okay, right here on that Mercedes. Let me show you. One of them we already fixed it, that one was all unglued. So we have a video how to do that. Don't forget to check it out. And you know, it works on almost anything interior wise. And this one right here, you can see, started ungluing as well. So we'll be removing that one. If you need to replace it or glue it back together, we'll show you how to remove it. You need to pull that seal all the way down. It's pretty strong seal, okay? So you need to pull it down, and now you need to make sure your hands are perfectly clean, okay? Because if you touch that, you will screw it up if your hands are dirty. And you need to start on this side, okay? There is one clip here we need to remove, and now you need to start towards the front a little bit right here. Okay, there is one more clip, and this one is pretty strong. We'll see how we're going to get it. Okay, oh, a little bit tight there, but if you get your fingers through there, okay, right there, we got it out. Okay, and now on the bottom, you need to make sure you feed it right. It has three things here, and that clip right here, you need to remove it, guys. You need to remove it, and it comes in two pieces. We'll show you how to remove it now, and it needs to be actually on this one here, holding that tube here, and on the driver's side you have an extra set of wires here that it needs to hold. Okay, so we'll show you how to remove it now. So if you get a small screwdriver, you can just pry it out of there. Okay, make sure it doesn't fly in your eyes or something, because those are dangerous sometimes. They're spring loaded, so if you don't get them right. Okay, came out of there. This is it, and now we need to go ahead and install it right there. You can see it holds that tube. Okay, just like that. Okay guys, we fixed that one. As you can see, it's glued really nice now, and you need to make sure you get it down there first. Okay, you need to make sure that it goes where it's supposed to, all the way in. Okay, once it goes in, it's good. Make sure that the airbag is not in the way. Okay, it needs to go to a special place here so you don't mess it up. Okay, now you need to get the clip there. You need to hit it now. Okay, and all the clips are closed. All you got to do now, you just need to go ahead and put the seal back on, and this one you need to push it really good, not to be loose. Okay, and that's the whole procedure, guys. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.